Guys, do you know where I'm going right now? I'm following this white car and I will go to visit the old factory of Vespa here in Pakistan. It will be very interesting. So let's go. It looks that we are close to the factory, and this is Sajad, his car, and it looks, I mean, it doesn't look a factory all around. There is no idea of factory. And this is the road that connects Maripur to Lahore. And here we are. Wow, look this gate, for example, Piaggio. There is the logo of Piaggio, and there it was written Raya Autocars Ltd. Raya, I think, is the company connected to Piaggio. Now, let's see. Yes! Let's see what is inside.
Blood pressure must be high now.
I want a picture now. I will ask a picture here exactly with my Vespa and the gate and the logos. Okay, can I take a picture?
Take your picture.
I just entered. Here it looks okay. Inside, this is the gate. Behind the gate, and this is the old factory of Piaggio here in Pakistan. Sajad is the guy with the white hair. Very kind. He came 30 kilometers far away just to visit me. And
Do you know the history of this thing?
I don't know anything.
I'll tell you.
Please, you are my guide.
No problem.
So everything is depending by you right now.
You know, they started production in 1979.
79.
Yes, 1979. 1979, some models were Italians in Pakistan, and then later on, Pakistani models they introduced.
Ah, okay. But this was a Piaggio company, or it was connected with a Piaggio company?
It was a Piaggio.
Piaggio.
And the unit was installed by them. The couple of engineers, they went there for training and everything.
Ah, okay. And why here in this city?
You know, the owner of this thing,
Yeah.
he was from here.
Uh-huh.
So he had free land and everything, and that's why.
Okay. And this factory was open since 79?
Yes.
Till?
Kadu band kadu hai hai? 2008.
2008.
Yeah, because then the 2-stroke and 4-stroke
Yeah.
issue, and
Okay.
that's why it stopped.
And what was the production here? What kind of cars or motorbikes?
They started with the Vespa, Super, and all those Vespa models. Shall we go inside?
Yes, please. And now the factory is completely closed. Nobody, nothing.
They have sold the machinery to scrapyard or something.
Ah, okay.
It's just the building.
This
now.
is a kind of house right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, entering the old factory.
They have one model here.
Oh, look, this is the last scooter produced here, probably.
The local symbol is
Piaggio Sfera. What is it? The chassis was...
body is made here,
Uh-huh.
and rest of the engine and everything is from there. Italy.
Ah, okay. So it was produced even this kind of scooter at the end of the factory.
Yes.
But it was a private factory.
Private.
The owner was... what's the name of the owner?
It was Raja Group of Industries.
Raja Group Industries.
Yeah, Raja
Okay.
Group of
It's a Pakistani group.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and they produce motorbike, motorcycle vehicles.
Yes.
Mostly. Okay.
And if I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
like there were 3 factories in this part of the world: Vietnam, India, and Pakistan. And they said Pakistani factory was the best one.
Ah, wow. But
And you know, if you go to big cities, they say there are 2 types of Vespas in Pakistan. One is Italian, other is Mirpuri. the Mirpur.
From this city.
Yeah, they say Mirpur Vespa or Italy Vespa.
And what is the difference between Mirpur Vespa and Italian Pur Vespa?
Mirpur Vespa is made in Mirpur, assembled in Mirpur, and Italy Vespa is assembled and made in Italy.
But more or less the Vespa, they will look the same, or
yes,
the same. Okay. And what is amazing, I'm noticing right now, there is still the watch with Vespa, Raya group auto cars with the Vespa inside. And this is the ape you produce here. After you start to produce Vespa, you start even to produce ape. And there are still a lot of these. Here there are a lot of
look at this.
state of machine. These are all the machines inside the factory. Okay. These are all the furnitures of this office. Probably this was an office. There is a table, chairs, sofas, even some beds, or what the rest of these some beds. And yes, some papers, fans, the watch, scooter. It was, I think, 0 kilometers. I'm curious, or maybe this was the scooter used. Yes, 0 kilometer. It was the scooter used maybe here inside, but it's 0 kilometer. Who knows why he's here? And now we are going to see the rest. Who was the owner? Raya Habu. Wow.
Raja Habibur Rahman.
Mr. Raja.
Yeah, Raja Habibur Rahman.
The owner of the company.
Yeah, CEO.
And this was the office inside here. Oh. Wow. This was luxury offices. Is completely covered by wood.
We went inside.
Okay. Wow, look at this.
This was the man.
This is the man.
This
Mr.
was his
Raj.
office.
Okay. And now the family group is still existing, or?
No, they got because after his death.
They
then
sell
the
everything.
sons have got
Okay.
issues.
Decide to close the factory. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the old office of Mr. Raja. And wow, it was a luxury office, and you can see the details. And apart that, I want to show you even this painting with all the factories in the group, Raya Group of Industries. And there was insurance, international Raya, engineering, tire and rubber they produce, even Piaggio, of course, Novelty Enterprise Limited, auto cars. And this was the group, and this was Mr. Raja, the owner, and this was the bathroom. I want to show everything inside. This is a nice bathroom, small but nice. Well, everything anyway, what I want to show you, everything is left like 28 years ago when they closed this this factory, and everything is old and nobody touched anything. And wow. And now I want just to take a little photo here on, if I can ask to Mr. Raja if I can sit one moment here wherever he is in this moment. This was Raja command everything. And this next to Mr. Raja office there is another little office where they put everything together, a lot of papers, and maybe we can find something interesting. Anyway, this is important contact and papers from and stamps from the group. You see, for example, here there is a Vespa something. If I take, this was okay, letter from the company with the Vespa logo. And for example, here what is Piaggio, limited Raya, Mr. Raya, always. Can I see a little bit?
Sure.
Okay,
you can.
No problem. Okay, this is dollar. Okay, anyway, and there is a book. Let's see what is this book. This is a dictionary. Disimpegno. This is the Italian dictionary. You see, disincagliare, disimpegno. This is Italian dictionary. Because they work with Italy. Dizionario Garzanti inglese italiano. Amazing. And let's see what is inside here. And a lot of floppy disk, old fashioned. And okay, Mr. Administrative manager. Here it was the place of the administration manager. And let's see here what they have left. Vespa. They call this Vespa. It's not up here. It's called Vespa, and it was a brochure of these. Can I take one? It's possible to take one?
Yeah, take it.
No problem. Thank you. This is the brochure. And auto cars and so on. All stuff. This is all office. Oh, there are some pictures. Can I just...
yeah, you can go through it.
Okay. See, these exactly here we are, guys. This was the factory, and here is the production of Vespa Ape. And you see, here they produce the cabin of Ape. This was machinery, and this inside was the factory. Now we will go to see inside, but they told me they remove everything, every machinery. And okay, this was the entrance. Here we are, guys. This is the production of Ape. Amazing. These are real pictures, guys. Real pictures. This, this is the engine of a Vespa Sprinter. As you can see, they assembled here another engine. This is I think is not engine of Vespa, but is engine of tuk-tuk. Is different clutch and support. And look at this, guys. There is a, oh wow, this kind of first day, I think, or the factory, or he was Mr. Raya?
Yes.
He's Mr. Raya, probably in the office we saw before. And maybe some important person, maybe a president of China, I don't know, I'm just supposing. A lot of pictures. This is a part of the story of the factory. Look. These are Vespa chassis. You see, there are some Vespa chassis with Mr. Ryan and some delegation. And oh, amazing. You should put this, my friend, in a museum. The museum of company, or in Pontedera. You send to Pontedera all this material. It's super interesting.
I always wanted to establish Vespa museum here.
You should do. Because this is part of Pakistan, this is part of Vespa motorcycle story.
This is part of Italy also.
Even, but it's more part of Pakistan, or anyway. Look at these beautiful pictures, guys. They paint here even the Vespa. They just bring the chassis and they paint do everything, every kind of treatment.
They had a paint shop, body shop. Their body shop was the best here.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. And these were the Vespa complete. As you can see, there are all the Vespa complete. Vespa Super. As you can see, oh, this is a Vespa Super produced in Pakistan. Vespa company. And Mr. Raya with all the people of the factory. He's Mr. Raya and all the people from the factory. It was a big company. Did you find something, my friend?
Yeah, look at me.
Oh.
This is 150 Super. Then they have a 150 PX also.
Ah, wow, this is the production. This is a brochure of all the products. Wow.
And
wow.
look at this.
Beautiful pictures. Now let's go to visit where the production was. And now I think just the people live here. Kind of a place where, house, I don't know. And you see these trees, they pop up. Okay, here, okay, that was the part of the offices, and here was the production, ladies and gentlemen. Paint shop. Okay, here is where the people painting the bodies and the Vespa. And I don't know what is the storage of right now. Yeah?
It's a tobacco there.
Tobacco. Ah, this is the reason of smell. There is a smell of tobacco around. And I didn't know, but in Pakistan they produce a lot of tobacco and they export even in Italy. By the way. And where did you sell the machine? To whom, or you know?
What?
The machineries.
Which machinery?
Of this company. They scrapped it.
No.
Disassembled.
They scrapped. Some people, some foreigners even bought it.
Really? Even some foreigners came to boat. Who knows? Who was the foreigners? There is a whole table there. Oh. You see, I am with brochure. Huh?
This was assembly line.
This is the assembly line. Wow. There is nothing left. Oh. Wait. I just see something inside here. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside. Oh, I don't understand. There are some inner tube, maybe some parts. I don't know if I can enter here. Should be nice, but not sure because it's closed. But you have to tell me, but you work here in Piaggio, or it was just...
No. I don't work in Piaggio. I'm an architect by profession.
Okay.
I'm a consultant.
Okay. I suppose you work here.
No. But I love Vespas. When I was a kid, I learned to ride on Vespa. My elder brother had a Vespa.
It was very common here in Pakistan.
Yes,
Vespa.
it was. The model was 1965 VBB 150. I had 3 of them. One was GS 160 MK1. One was SS 180. And other was Rally 200.
The best you had.
At the moment, I'm restoring a Rally 180 now.
Wow. So you are a collector?
Yes.
That's amazing.
That's why I wanted to open a museum here.
You should take everything inside here, the rest of what remains, and open a museum, because it should be interesting for all the Vespa lovers come to Pakistan.
I wanted to open in this area. So because this is Vespa.
But now they use just for storage for tobacco.
Yeah,
that's
nothing,
it. Nothing more.
Nothing
more. Okay. Thank you for the visit. Thank you, guys. And these are all the workers. Salam alaikum to everybody. Salam. The guys work here in the company for tobacco, not for Vespa anymore. And this was the company. My story has sparked your curious side, and you would like to ask questions, share travel tips, or even contribute to this wild journey, you are most welcome, even to make a donation by PayPal or buy one of my personally designed creations from my online shop in the link below. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell of my YouTube channel. And join me on the other socials. Ciao!